Hello everyone, welcome to Kids Magic Drawing. Today I'm drawing a cute little cat with letter C. Let's draw and paint together. First, draw letter C. Let's turn it to a cat now. Cats are one of the most popular pets in the world. They are small, furry animals with sharp claws, whiskers, and pointy ears. Do you like to play with cats? If yes, please comment below. Cats love to sleep. They can sleep up to 16 hours a day. Cats love running, climbing, and playing around. But do you know, cats do not like to play in the water. Cats love chasing the birds and the rat. Their favorite food is fish. Do you know, cats are very curious animals. Cats communicate using their tails, ears, and meows. Even though they are small, cats are excellent hunters. Cats have fast reflexes. Do you have a cat as a pet? Make sure to give them food, water, and a cozy place to sleep. Please draw and paint with me. Let's paint together now. There are many different colors in cats. Browns, beige, orange, black, white. What is your favorite color in cats? If you like the video, please do like, share and subscribe to the channel. The cat is almost ready. Do you like the cat? If yes, please do like and share. Thanks for watching the video. See you on the next video.